Today we're going to be looking at the different tactics you can use if you want to flip that small account. However, for those that don't know what flipping an account is, ideally making a small account turn into a big account in the shortest time possible. So in this video, as traders, as professional traders, we're going to happily look at the different ways, techniques, processes, and of course the professional aspect on how you can flip this small account to a bigger account. For those that have been following us, I believe you have subscribed onto this channel. If you haven't, please do. And also those that are new to this channel, you can also still subscribe to this channel so that you find such information that is affirmative, that is going to help you learn new things that are not anywhere on this particular channel. So you can also go to the other social platforms of ours, that is Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, just type in FX Kampala, still you'll find this amazing affirmative information. So first, if you want to develop or if you want to flip a small account to a very big account, you have to master the art of using high risk to reward ratios. For instance, you can use a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 5, meaning that you're risking something small to always aim for something big, just like Richard Dennis. He used to always trade, and he always mastered the art of risking small for something big. So if you want to flip this account in the shortest time possible, but then in the professional aspect of trading, then always go for a high, a reward, risk to reward ratio. For instance, you risk 1 to aim for 10, you risk 1 to aim for 30, you risk 1 to aim for 5, risk 1 you aim for 3. So with that, you're going to make a small account be flipped into a bigger account in the shortest time possible using this technique. The other technique, of course, is actually using leverage wisely. Leverage arouse larger positions by exclusive use can blow the account. Stick to a moderate leverage. That is actually between 1 to 50 to 1 to 200. So if you want still to, grow this account shortly but not blow it, you have to learn to use leverage the moderate way. In other words, you have to use leverage the wisely way. So if you just come in that, you can easily blow an account, but then if you use leverage a wise way, then you can always make money and flip small accounts into bigger accounts. So let's use leverage between 1 to 20, rather 1 to 50 to 1 to 200 as our leverage. So you shouldn't exceed that, or you shouldn't go below that. If you want to flip an account, use leverage wisely. Another approach can be master this scalping strategy. You have to actually be a scalper if you want to flip this account. Remember, we're looking at small accounts. Therefore, we need the strategy you should be using should at least be a scalping strategy. By this, you don't stay in the market, you act like the piranha fish. You come into the market, shortly, frequently, aggressively, and so many times in a single day. So trading 1 or 2 pairs, So by you doing this, you're flipping an account in the shortest time possible as a technique that we traders, are looking forward, to grow this account very, very badly. Like crazy. Then trade high impact news. So another approach, another technique we can use, those that want to, grow their account to that extent, flip it. This technique is actually trading news. We know news are those are one of the highly fundamental displacing factors in the market. So by doing this, it's one of the easiest ways. You come in the market, you focus on news, trade on news. So it's going to be another easy way you can flip an account that is small into a bigger account with, with the professional aspect here, without any risk of blowing your account. So focus on news if you want to flip this, in a very short term possible, but then in the professional aspect of view. Then another one, if you want to flip or to make money quickly, you can always return to prop firms, or you buy funded accounts. So you trade, you make sure that, you buy yourself a funded account, you practice with that, you trade with that. Eventually, you get yourself an account that has real money, and then use this, of course, you're using little money to make more money You know, this is another approach, another technique you can use to make quick money in the markets, but then in the professional way, within the way that you can't ideally blow your account. So buy a funded account or use the approach to funded account or prop farm challenges. Trade smart money concepts and liquidity strategies. So it's always important, if you're trading the market and you want to flip accounts, is to always look up for liquidity levels in the market. And one of the easiest ways you can do that is probably when you focus on smart money. Identify the change of character levels in the market, because these are the areas where markets are turning up or consolidating and reverting to big moves into the market. So it's an ideal factor technique that you should always have in mind when we are trading. So let's focus on smart money concepts. Look out for the imbalances into the market and leverage onto those. You can flip easily a small account into a bigger account. That is if you're probably aiming at that. So this is a technique that I come out, of course, also to tell you to use this when you are trading. Monitor trading psychology. Flipping an account is mentally challenging. Stay disciplined. Avoid range trading after losses. Stick to your strategy. So this is another key. So regarding the fact that we want to flip small accounts into bigger accounts, still we always have to monitor our psychology. We always have to be keen on revenging on losing trades. So we shouldn't aim at that. So we have to be disciplined. We should have an iron discipline. By that, we can easily grow this account and make money off the markets. That is if we are doing this the professional way. So in case there is anything that I haven't mentioned, you can type into the comment section, or if there is any video that you'd love us to create for you. If there is anything you haven't understood, if you have any question, just raise it in our comment section. We'll always come back, help out and respond to you with a solution. I would love to end from here. I shared the contact at the beginning of this video. Don't hesitate to contact us. We'll always be in position to help you. Have a lovely day. Enjoy.